Namaste students, this is JVN Vijay Kumar Yadav, Faculty of Education and Methodology, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Students, I welcome to all of you in my digital class. Students, today we are going to study about voucheria, that is ELGA. Okay, before this we have seen some of the general character of algae, habitat, their reproduction, economic importance. After that, we have proceeded for specific genera. In that continuation, we have studied sargassum and other many more. Today's topic is of voucheria. So what is voucheria? What is the general features, morphology, reproduction of voucheria? We will going to study. So let's start with habitat. Students, voucheria is aquatic as well as terrestrial alga. This is found in both in water as well as on land. Terrestrial habitat grows in the form of dense tuff on damp garden soil, moist wall, stagnant pond, ditches, etc. So these are the habitat where voucheria found. Now something about vegetative structure. This is yellow green filamentous alga. Branching is monopodial but appears dichotomous, means it has branching in two sub branches, and after some time each these two branches again divide into two sub branches, that is known as dichotomous branching. Vacuole is continuous throughout the thallus. Thalli are multinucleated, lack cross wall, and are called sinusotic. Means sinusotic condition is those conditions when there is no partition of cytoplasm, cell divided into different groups or membranes, only multinucleated situation is there. Okay, so that condition is known as sinusotic. Then reserve food material is oil. Students, this is the unique feature of this alga, that their reserve material is oil. Then about reproduction, first we'll see asexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction is carried out by zoospore, that is synzospores. Students, this is the again another unique feature of voucheria. What is synzospore? Zoospores are spores which can move, that is motile. But what is synzospore? Multiflagellate, multinucleate, produced in club-shaped sporangium. Okay, this is the development and liberation of synzospore, which indicates the liberation of synzospore. In diagram you can see, during development of zoosporangium, tip portion of side branch starts swelling and becomes club shaped. Dense cytoplasm along with large number of nuclei and chromatophores flows into the swelling, followed by appearance of septum. So this is how synzospore formed. Once a side portion of cell is swelled up outside, after that followed by dense cytoplasm and formation of septum. Now central vacuole reduced, zoosporangium turn into dark green in color. Now color is changed. Nuclei exchange their position from chromatophores. The protoplasm starts contracting from cell wall and changes into zoospores. So these zoospores are formed in this way. Zoospores are liberated and are called synzoospore or compound zoospore. Students, in examination it may ask that what is synzoospore. You can reply about it. Okay. After that, another way is a planospore, means non-motile spores produced under unfavorable condition, produced inside a planosporangium. These are like zoospores except flagella are absent. Means this structure is also quite similar to zoospores, but main difference is they are deprived of flagella, means they are non-motile, whereas zoospores are motile in structure. As you can see, development, liberation and germination of that planospores. Now echinates, cyst, hypnospore, these are the also structure which participate in the asexual reproduction of Vaucheria under adverse conditions, which are short, thick-walled, gelatinous. Echinates are produced in dichotomous branches in rows, and this stage is known as Gongrosaira stage. Students, again this is the unique feature of Vaucheria, that Gongrosaira stage is found because it resembles the green algae Gongrosaira. There is a alga, that is green alga, its feature is similar to that. So in examination it may ask what is Gongrosaira stage and in which alga it found. Okay, so please remember this. With return of favorable conditions, echinates directly forms new plants. Okay, these are how Vaucheria reproduce asexually. Now sexual reproduction of Vaucheria. So in Vaucheria, sexual reproduction is carried out by oogamous type. What is oogamous type? We'll study. Male sex organ is known as antheridia, that is slender hook-like structure. Okay, you can see in diagram. Female sex organ is oogonia, that is spherical in structure. Position of sex organs, sessile type and maybe geminate type. Sessile type is those conditions where sex organs are formed on main filament. The male and female sex organs are produced on branches close to each other and are sessile. Okay, they cannot move. Whereas sex organs are formed on special branches. These branches are short and bear terminal antheridium and lateral groups of oogonia. Okay, now these are the structures of sex organs and how they developed. You can see in images. Now fertilization, how fertilization occur. After the non-motile egg is fertilized by a biflagellate sperm, the zygote may enter a resting phase for several weeks before germinating into the new plants. Okay, this image shows A is zygote. After fertilization, zygote come into the resting phase where it prepare for germination and its cytoplasm become dense. Then there is a inner wall burst that come out and form a thallus. Okay, so this is how germination of Vaucheria start, and this is the life cycle of Vaucheria. As you have seen, vegetative thallus is there, which may reproduce by asexual reproduction, that is developing sporangium. Now sporangiophore is there, then synzoospore formed, which develop into young filament. And another case, that is sexual reproduction. Antheridial branch is there, antheridium branch is there. There is a fertilization, development of zygote, diploid nucleus is there, haploid nuclei is there. then germination of zygote. So this is how life cycle of Vaucheria is going on. So students, in this way today we have seen structure, morphology, asexual reproduction and life cycle of Vaucheria. On next turn we will meet with new topic. But before leaving, I will recommend you that whatever question I have asked in video, please reply in comment box. Thank you very much.